Now we want to work on the corrections. This is same expand m plus 4 under bracket m plus 6. So let's do it. You have m will open this second bracket, which will give you m plus 6. M times m, I'm writing it out, m times m, that will give me m square. M times plus 6, I saw somebody wrote that, you can also do it that way, to give you plus 6m. Always ensure you write the letter beside that is coming together with the number. It is called coefficient. I will explain more in today's class or another class, the meaning of the word coefficient. Now let's join them together. You're going to have it as m square plus 6m. Good. Now let's use 4 to open the bracket. This is 4 into m plus 6. Now let's do it again. 4 times m. This will give you 4m. Then 4 times 6. That will give you 24. So adding this together, that will give you 4m plus 24. Why is it plus? Because there is no sign in front of it, and it is always assumed that when there's no number, when there's no sign indicated in front of the number, it is positive. So now let's add everything together. That will give us m square plus 6m plus 4m plus 24. So that will give you m square plus 10m plus 24. So if you got this, you are very correct. Some people wrote m square plus 10, forgot the m. No, you're supposed to have it together. And you know it is positive because 6 plus 4, you gave somebody 6 naira, and you came again and gave the person 4 naira. So how much have you given the person together? That is 4. Then 4 times 6 gave us 24. So this is our final answer. Let's go on to the second one. We have it as 3b plus 8b minus 5. I hope you are with me. B minus 5. Please do well to take corrections before you start this class. Now let's do it. 3b, we'll open this bracket. That is 3b into b minus 5. So 3b times b. 3b times b. That will give you 3b square. Then we have 3b times minus 5. I saw somebody who did that. Good boy. Good child. That is extremely good, so that you won't throw away your minus, because it will always affect your final answer. So this will give you minus 3 times 5. That will give you 15. Then you write your coefficient, which is your letter, which is b. Now let's use 8 to open the second bracket again. 8, we've not written it out. So that will give you 3b square minus 15b. Now let us use 8 to open the second bracket. That will give you 8 into b minus 5. That will become 8 times b, which will give you 8b. Then we have 8 times minus 5. That will give you minus 40. Now let's bring everything together. We have it as 3b square minus 15b plus 8b minus 40. Minus 40. So that will give me 3b square will still remain 3b square. You are owing somebody 15 naira. You now came and gave the person 8 naira. First of all, our answer will be in minus. Why? Because 15 is greater than 8. So now let's do is 15 minus 8. That will give you 5. 15 minus 8. That is 7. Yes, 7. So we have it as 7b minus 40. This is our final answer. If you got this, congratulations. And if you did not, please take note of your corrections. Thank you for the attempts. Let's move on to the third question. We have it as 7 plus y. And we have it as 7 minus y. Now let's work this out. 7, we open the first bracket. Let's do that. 7 minus y. That becomes 7 times 7 is equals to 49. 7 times minus y is equals to minus 7y. Now let's use the y to open the second bracket. But before that, let's write our answer out here. That will give you 49 minus 7y. This one looks a bit strange, but we're going to rearrange it to ensure it follows the same rule in other answers. Now let's continue. You're going to use 7. You're going to use the y now, this y, to open this bracket. So that will become y into 7 minus y. Y times 7, let's write it out. Y times 7, that will give you what? 7y. Then y times minus y, that will give you minus y squared. Now let's write everything out together. That will give you 49 minus 7y plus 7y minus y squared. Now if you take note of something here, you will notice here that the y square is here, 49 is here. You can decide to rearrange it. And how would that be? To still start with your minus y square plus 7y minus 7y plus 49. We have rearranged it successfully. Now, another thing we can also do to it is that we can decide to multiply all through by minus, so that this y square would not have a minus. It's a means of neutralizing the minus. Whenever you have an answer like this, or you have an equation where you don't want minus to start with, you don't want minus to start with the one that has a square, you can decide to multiply all through by minus. You are allowed. But before I do that, I want you to take note of something. This is still rewritten as minus y square plus, plus 7y minus 7y. You are owing somebody 7 naira and you pay the person 7 naira. You know for sure you are not owing the person anything anymore. So that means that place will give you 0. Somebody wrote to my plus 0y plus 49. You can write it, but at the same time it doesn't really make any sense, because anything you multiply by 0 is 0. So officially this is out of the equation. So you are left with minus y square plus 49. Now we can decide to multiply all through by minus. Multiply through by minus. So that will give you minus, open the bracket. This open a bracket. No, bracket means multiplying through, multiplying also. So you have it as minus y square plus 49. Close your bracket. So now let's use minus to open it. This will become minus times minus y square. That will give you what? Minus times minus will give you plus y square. Now minus times plus 49, that will give you minus 49. Why? Because minus times plus will give you minus. So let's write our answer out. That will give you y square minus 49. This is your final answer. But if you had stopped here, I will still give it to you. If you had stopped here, I will still give it to you. If you had stopped here too, I will still mark it correct for you. But if you want it to make it look standard, this is your perfect and your final answer. Y square minus 49. Now let's go ahead to the last question. We have it as, I hope you can see, x plus 8 or square. Now let's open this. Whenever you see the word square, I've told you in the last class that it means 2 times. You have to open this bracket, the same thing in that bracket 2 times. So that will give you x plus 8. I hope you can see it clearly. Into x plus 8. Now let's open the bracket. X will open the second bracket, x multiplying the second bracket, so that will give you x times x will give you x square. Good. X times 8 will give you 8x. Now let's write everything we have there together. That will become x square plus 8x. Now let's use 8 to open the second bracket. We have it that 8, we open the second bracket, x plus 8. That will give you 8 times x. will give you 8x. Are you with me? Then 8 times 8 will give you 64. So let's write this out. This will give us 8x plus 64. Now let's write everything together. That will give us x squared plus 8x plus 8x plus 64. Now let's do it together. The x squared will still remain x squared. You have 8 naira and you are giving somebody, you give somebody 8 naira, you are giving the person 8 naira again. So that will be in addition. That will become plus 8 plus 8 will give us what? 16x plus 64. If you had stopped here, you are correct. If you had stopped here too, you are also correct. And this is our final answer. Always do not forget your x or the letter beside your number. It is called coefficient. Like now, if I'm asking you that what is the coefficient of 16 in 16x, it will be what? X. If I ask you that what is the coefficient of x in 16x, coefficient of it is 16. Coefficient means what is beside it, what is attached to it. Just like your mommy and your daddy now. Your coefficient of your mommy is your daddy. Coefficient of your daddy is your mommy. Just like you and your siblings too. If you have siblings at home, coefficient of you is your sister, or coefficient of sister is you, because you are attached together by your family bond. Thank you very much as you take note of your corrections before today's class.